What's good? It's your boy CHECK YEEZY. You already know I'm back, man. If you guys want to see how I actually traded and got me a legit pair of the Yeezy Blue Tint, man, stay tuned. Watch this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And I'm gonna also give you guys a good little review. So I'm about to go check out this grand opening today, a store, and the store called Vice, man. Out here where I stay at. And this is my first vlog, y'all, so definitely, man, bang that subscription if y'all like what y'all see, if y'all want to see more. But, man, my bro got me hip. Y'all know Smoke, my bro, from the video that I did with the Gatorades, the grape and the Cool Blues. But my bro, you know, always looking out, and it's a store based out of, you know, St. Louis, where I'm originally from, called STL Reset, that gave another store a shout out where I'm at, called Vice, right? I wasn't really paying attention, but my bro was on his P's and Q's, and he let your boy know. So, you know, they buy, sell, and trade shoes, and they got vintage gear and stuff like that. So I definitely went in the closet and I, you know, grabbed some things, and I'm about to, you know, just see what they're about. Definitely, man. I don't really sell sneakers and nothing like that, but I don't know, man. I feel like I got some good little cops, so I'm about to make it do what it do. Gonna slide, man. And I also thought that, you know, I guess since, you know, this drive gonna be a little bit of a drive, I'm gonna give y'all some motivation, but also, you know, like just something that happened to me. And I got my shoes stolen. I had went to St. Louis for my girl's birthday, you know what I mean, and got my shoes stolen. So I'm gonna start with just a roundup of what they took, you know what I'm saying? So first off, they took, you know, sneakers from me, which most importantly, you know, they took some Yeezy Calabasas from me. You know, they took some Retro 12s, and they took the Reebok Insta Pumps I did a review on, and it was really like lame, you know what I'm saying, because 3 of those pairs was dead stock, you know what I'm saying, never had put on my feet. Also, the Calabasas was definitely a, you know, sleeper that I had a long time that I wanted to bring to you guys' attention, man. Never got the opportunity to do that, you know, but it is what it is. Like, I ain't even gonna trip, you know. It happened. But they took those from me, you know what I'm saying, and they took sneakers from my girl that I had just bought her, some Air Max, some other stuff, heels, 2 coats, like a bomber jacket and some other stuff, all her hair products. My girl do hair, you know what I'm saying, but they did that. They got that, and it might have been a mistake on whatever, you know, my part. Maybe I could have took some precautions to avoided it, but the whole thing is, man, my whole point of what I'm saying is, like, bro, people gonna try to take something from you, and you can do everything you do to prevent it, but when somebody see an opportunity to come up on you, man, they gonna do it. Yeah, it could be your friends, it could be associates, it could be a random person, you feel me? Like, bro, you just gotta keep your eyes peeled for everything. So, you know, and it gotta be that way, you know. I really feel that if you work hard for something, you should be able to, you know, keep. But some people just take, you know what I'm saying, and I don't really get down like that. I'ma just let y'all know right now, all this YouTube stuff right here, this is for fun. I do this for the love of it, right? And I'm not sponsored by nobody. I ain't doing this for nobody but myself and the love of vintage gear and sneakers, bro. You know? It brought me down to reality, because I'm just like, bro, like, I need to take precautions, because people see what I'm doing, and some people gonna like what I'm doing and be like, dang, bro, I support what you're doing, and that's dope. And some people gonna look for they come up, you know what I'm saying? But don't be the come up. That's what I'm here to tell y'all. Don't be the come up, man. It takes awareness, you know what I mean? And though I don't know who did this to me, you know what I'm saying, did that to me, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to prevent it from happening again, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to make sure to take precautions, you know what I'm saying, but it is what it is, man. You can't know everything, right? But you can always pay attention more. You can always become more aware. So that builds prevention. You understand, man? Because don't think that what you're doing out here, people ain't watching and stuff like that. You know what I mean? And that's just my advice to y'all out here. You know what I'm saying? Because, bruh, everybody do videos like it's a joke. Hey, but it ain't no joke this time. Like when the joke actually on you and it's real, and you working hard for something, and it's taken, man. So cherish what y'all doing, man. Regardless, like, bro, all YouTubers, man, cherish everything that y'all doing. Like, and know that y'all can't be the next Slick. You know what I mean? Like, man, sometimes people think that you YouTubing it up, so now instantly you making money from it. Instantly you getting it like that, like stuff free, you know. But you know what I'm saying, everybody ain't getting it like that, and everything ain't free, you know what I'm saying. It is what it is though, bro. But that's 2018, but we out here, man, and I hope that everybody keep on elevating, bro. That's all I'm about, really. I ain't about taking from nobody, you know what I'm saying, and none of that. So I hope y'all ain't out there on that either, you know what I'm saying. We gotta be better than that, for sure. But definitely, man, I'm hitting up this Vice, hitting up the new store, bro, and I'm about to slide. We about to slide, see what they're about, bro. Hopefully they mess with me. Hopefully they, you know what I'm saying, mess with what I bring up in there, for sure. I don't think I'm bringing no booty. I'm bringing some nice little sneaks. Pulling up on it. I want to see if it's noticeable. I saw the pictures online on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's noticeable or not. I think I see it in the distance. Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah. We see. I just peeped it. I just drove past it, actually. Damn. But they just straight Yui. And guess who's Bazak? Yeah, here it is. That's what's up. Vice. I'm here. I'm straight about to roll up in this joint. We about to see what they talking about. For sure. Let's do this. But yeah, so what I brought here today, I got this little Rams little hoodie. They probably ain't gonna even, I might just leave this in the cart for real, but you know, I might just take it. I don't know. They might take some for it. And I got this I got the Forces, you know, the upper Forces, the high top Forces boots that I had. Did the first video on. Got the UNCs, right? Got the UNCs. And then I also got the Nike Cortez joints I just got. I know it's kind of early, but gotta do it. When the opportunity presents itself, you just make it happen, player. And you come through with that heater. So yeah, I got boxes. We about to slide up in here. I'm gonna let y'all get a look at this stuff. I'll be back with y'all in a sec. No, that's the view of Vice, man. They got some heat up in here for sure. Man, you know they got the sizes on the bottom of the joints. Hey, definitely make sure y'all follow them on Instagram, man. Hey, that's what's up though, man. All Levi's, it look like. All Levi's. That's what's up. I'ma definitely got the Tommy Hilfiger rack. Jerseys on deck. Ooh, I might have to find me one. Ooh, that's what I put down here, man. You show to these guys, right? Ain't too bad. I don't know what to do with these for real. Like I thought they was gonna go crazy over them, but like all of the ones that they dropped, they alright.
The original 3, I don't know if you want to check them out, but
this one of the guys right here.
yo, what up?
What's your name, bro?
Tony.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to check them out?
So we trying to do a trade, man. Gonna get these from my girl right here. These clean as hell. This my first time even holding the Yeezy. You feel me? My first time holding it. They gonna get those right there. I'm trying to give that boy those and these right here.
UNC 6s?
You want this or you doing that?
It's got your info on it.
Yeah. Yeah. The UNCs and the Dams, man. That's what I'm gonna drop off to the man. Right here.
Sir. Appreciate it.
I'm gonna get these right here. I appreciate that. For sure. You welcome, baby.
I was like, oh damn. Oh shit.
Hey yo, so this is my shout out. This from Slick Fresh. You already know, bruh. This is my first time hitting up Vice, bruh. I give them a thumbs up, man. We did a trade-off. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all another, you know what I'm saying, view once we get back to the crib. But we did a trade-off. And I got some, I hit a stain. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to get rid of my forces. They ain't take them, though. They ain't take them. But no, I'm gonna get y'all a look at that sign, too. Hold on. Hit up Vice. Hit up Vice. No, that's the store Vice. Hey, this the setup, you know, it's like it's hella legit because it's like a crib almost, but like it's legit though, bro. Like that's like vintage itself, goddamn me. You don't need to buy no building, you make a building, you feel me? Hey, definitely check out if you're in the Iowa City area. Hey yo, so I'm back in the car, yo. But like I said, make sure y'all go ahead and if y'all haven't already, man, go check out their Instagram, man, and make sure y'all, you know, like, comment, and subscribe for sure. But check out their Instagram and give them a follow, man, and give your boy Slick Fresh a follow, man. You already know I gotta stay on the come up, man. And this was their grand opening, so I, you know, came through. I showed some love, and they showed me some love. I greatly appreciate it, yeah. And once I get to the crib, I'm gonna give you guys just a great look at the trade-off that we made, you know, once again, and you know what I was left with. But it's all good. Hey, see y'all in a minute. Yeah, so we back at the crib, but instantly, man, you guys see that the store is actually a very nice store, man. They not only have shoes, they have a great selection of just everything, man. A lot of clothing, man. I saw this little Supreme little thing I'm trying to go back for, so I'm gonna just, yeah. But anyway, man, definitely some nice sneakers, man. I'm glad I got my hands on these. These are definitely a legit pair of Yeezys, man. You can, bro, you see it. You see it in the shoe, man. Definitely official, dead stock, perfect. I'm happy. And this is actually not my size. I got these for my girl, like I said, but definitely still the first pair of Yeezys within my household. And I got my hands on my first pair of Yeezys, man, and it's crazy because I actually sold 2 exclusive pairs of shoes, you know what I'm saying? And so some people will be going crazy about what I actually gave away. So if y'all saw, man, I actually traded my UNC 6s and also my Kendrick Lamar Dan release, and you know, limited, man. And these are, I wouldn't even say these are as limited, but I got them for my girl, you know. And what the sneaker game is about is just building connections, man, really. And I'm really just trying to build connections. So when I did that, I did it for the love of what I'm doing. You know what I mean? And it's hard to get a pair of Yeezys for retail value. You know, more than likely you are paying, you know, more than likely, anytime that you get a Yeezy, you are paying over the, you know, retail value, right? So how I looked at the whole transaction, I looked at it as I paid $100 for the damn, and I paid, you know, 200, not even, for the 60. So I'm just like, okay, that add up to $300, and then usually these, you know, go for about 400 and something. So I'm just like, it was a come up, and it was a good swap on both ends, because I know that they probably more than likely gonna sell those shoes for more. But then also, you know what I'm saying, I can sell these for more if I wanted to. I can sell it and get my money if I want it. But, you know, really it's just a shoe to add to the collection, man. STL Reset, man, they the ones that actually got us hip, you know, me and my boy. Go check out Vice, Iowa City, man. I appreciate them, man, just showing just love on the whole trade, man. Got my first pair of Yeezys, so definitely check them out. And man, if you guys like what you see right here today, man, make sure you guys give this a thumbs up, but then also bang my subscription box, man. All of that is appreciated, and I'm gonna keep the heat coming all day. Slick Fresh out, boy.
I say, Lord, be my savior when it comes to getting this paper. Please protect me from my haters.